The electric vehicle market is booming, and with charging dock installations on the rise, electricians who want to be a part of this exciting growth need to be properly qualified. The electric vehicle charging course at Learn Trade Skills equips you with the skills to install, inspect and certify EV charging points in both domestic and commercial environments. This course is specifically designed for electricians and designers looking to gain a comprehensive understanding of the requirements for electric vehicle charging equipment installations, professionals who wish to join the growing market of EV charging point installations and be a part of the rapid expansion happening across the country. Upon completing the course, you'll be able to inspect and test EV charging docks to ensure they meet regulatory standards. You'll gain the knowledge to certify the usage of electric vehicle charging points, ensuring compliance with industry standards. With the increasing demand for EV charging stations, completing this course will position you as a crucial part of this expanding industry. If you do not hold a Level 3 diploma but have experience working with EV charging docks, then get in touch with us to see if you may be eligible.